Hi, and thanks for watching. We're here in Chicago at Automate. We're talking to Terry from Computar, a CBC Americas company, and we're just taking a look at some of the lenses they have on display here. Hi, Terry.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks. So what can you tell us about your lenses?
All right. So yeah, we just displayed a couple of lenses. So we have the multiple series, like the entry level and also like a more high-end stuff. And actually this is the MPT series. So this is for up to like a 4/3 and then up to the 45 megapixel lenses. So very super high resolution lens.
Nice.
And also this is we call it like a SWIR hyper APO. So you can use this lens without any like a focus shift between the visible wavelengths up to like a 1700 nanometer wavelength.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
So what applications is that one ideal?
I would say, like a semiconductor inspection,
Okay.
like a solar panel inspection, and also like a food sorting inspection is going to be very popular right now.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. And these are more versatile as far as applications?
Yeah, so yeah, that's like a super high resolution. So like a LCD, like a monitor inspection is going to be very popular right now.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Perfect. Thank you for your time today, and thanks for watching. For more information, click the link below or send us an email at sales@lortech.io.